This week we're going to be taking a break from Mom's cookbook collection to address a recipe that I found at another YouTuber's page. Now, if exploring abandoned buildings, ghost towns, hot springs, four-wheeling through mountainous terrain of America's Midwest is your bag, then Wonderhussy is your gal. This is episode number 486, Winter Desert Cabin, Wood-Fired Frito Pie. The original recipe is designed to be actually cooked in the can over an open fire and then mixed together. Now this forms a great base recipe for a cleaning out the fridge casserole. In a casserole dish, we're gonna be mixing Fritos, sharp cheddar cheese, whole kernel sweet corn, artisan craft homestyle chili with beans, and Del Monte petite diced tomatoes with hatch green peppers. We're also going to be adding to this recipe 1 cup of grilled chicken, 1 cup of mushrooms, 1 orange pepper chopped, and about half a cup of celery chopped. Now for the preparation, kind of spread some of these Fritos on the bottom of the casserole dish. Now I'm using chili cheese Fritos, flavored corn chips. Whoa, that's good. I'm not exactly sure how much cheese I'm going to be using, so we can measure this out. So it looks like we're up to 2 cups of cheese. And spread it out over the corn chips. Okay. All right. I'm going to put on the mushrooms, and we'll add the chicken. That'll make a nice gooey mess. And I think we'll add the corn. We're going to drain it first. Corn. And I think I'll put the petite diced tomatoes in next. Also going to drain them. Looking good. Probably used a little too much corn. Probably could have used a smaller can of corn. Maybe some more, maybe additional tomatoes. But let's see how it looks with the chili on top. Now, I'm not going to drain this. Well, that does look good, doesn't it? And then we'll add the peppers to that. Okay, that looks good. I gotta get a bigger casserole dish. I'll just throw these things in there too. Just kind of mix them all together. And on top of it, as if this wasn't enough, let's throw another half a cup of cheese just to make it gooey. Make it a nice gooey mess. It's actually about a cup of cheese. There we go. Oh, doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look gooey? Gooey goodness. Yeah, that's how men cook. I'm going to bake this covered at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. You know, it looks like a chili. Effectively, I've just created a chili. This is what it looks like. An ooey, gooey winner. Awesome. This is a modified recipe. This didn't come from Mom's cookbook collection. This came from Wonderhussy Adventures. This is episode number 486, Winter Desert Cabin Wood-Fired Frito Pie. I added a whole lot of additional ingredients and turned it into a casserole. But still, excellent recipe.